Okay, so our today's topic is prefixes. English has many common word parts. It can either be a suffix, it can be a prefix, and then there is a root word. Okay? Our today's topic, we are concerned only with prefixes. What is a prefix? A prefix is okay. So why do we use prefixes? What is a prefix? A prefix is a group of alphabets. It is not a complete word. अगर आप इसको isolation में पढ़ें, so it is not a complete word. It cannot stand on its own. But it is a group of alphabet. It can be one alphabet or it can be multiple alphabets that are added to the start of the word to change its meaning. They are added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, un, which means not, plus kind makes a word unkind. Okay? Prefixes are always added before the word. Suffixes are added after the word. ये difference होता है. Prefixes are added before the word. Suffix are added after the word. But today we will not be studying suffixes. We are just concerned with the prefix today. So now we will discuss some common types of prefixes that are added and how we use them. The first one is a or an. Both of these have the same meaning. They mean not or without. For example, atypical means not typical. Amoral, not moral. Anarchy, without. Anarchy means without a ruler. Okay? The next one is anti. Anti means against. Something that is against something. For example, antisocial, a person who is not social, who doesn't want to be friends with a lot of people. Antibiotic. Biotic means a drug that acts against bacteria. So any agent that acts against a bacteria is called an antibiotic. Then we have anti-war, means against war. A person who doesn't favor war is called anti-war. The next is Benny. Benny is a word that we add to many words which means good. For example, benefit. किसी चीज में फायदा होना, profit होना. Benefactor means a person who gives you, who protects you, who does good for you. Then the next one is bi. Bi means two. Mono means one. Bi means two. For example, bicycle. A cycle with two tires is called a bicycle. A cycle with three tires is called a tricycle. TRI. वो भी हम use करते हैं बहुत. For example, bilingual. A bilingual is a person who can speak two languages. Then we have circum. Circum is a word that means around. किसी चीज के गिर्द घूमना. For example, circumference, circumstance, हालात, किसी कोई situation ऐसी होना. Circumnavigate, to search, navigate means search करना. So it means to go around searching. The next one, these five mean together. ये पांच जो आपके suffixes है, com, con, kal, kor, ko, they all mean the same thing, which means together. For example, combine, connect, collect. Collect means jama karna. Collect is a word that has two meanings. One is to pick up something, किसी चीज को collect करना, जमा करना, or it can also mean to pick something up. Okay. Then we have correspond. Correspond means to talk with somebody, to connect with somebody. Cooperate. Cooperate means to work with somebody together, to work together. Contra or counter. This is another prefix that we use, which means against or opposite. For example, contrast. Contrast means difference. अगर मैं बोलूं what is the contrast between night and day? कितना contrast है between night and day? What is the difference? There is a larger difference between night and day. Contradict. Contradict means किसी की बात को गलत करना. Counteract. Counteract means अपने defense में कोई बात कहना. The next one is X. X means out, out of, or not currently or anymore. For example, excluded. For example, extracted. Extracted means किसी चीज में से एक चीज निकालना. For example, एक मिक्सचर में से, इफ यू हैव अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मेनी मेटल्स मेल्टेड टुगेदर, उसमें से कोई एक मेटल को निकालना, उसको एक्सट्रैक्शन कहेंगे. उसको किसी एक चीज को एक मिक्सचर में से निकालने को एक्सट्रैक्शन बोलते हैं. नॉट एनी मोर और करंटली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक्स प्रेसिडेंट और एक्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर, somebody who is not in the position now. The next one is half. Half means something that is the exact half of something. ठीक है, आधा होना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाफ डे और हाफ इटालियन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इल, इम, इन, एर. So these are all meaning, they all have one meaning, which is not. Illiterate, somebody who is not literate, not educated. Impossible, something that is not possible. Ineffective, something that is not effective. Irreplaceable, something that cannot be replaced. किसी कोई ऐसी चीज जिसका कोई रिप्लेसमेंट ही ना हो. Then okay, अब इसका दो मीनिंग्स है. एक मीनिंग तो था नॉट, द सेकेंड मीनिंग इज इन, एंटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इल्यूमिनेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इमर्स. इमर्स मीन्स किसी चीज में बिल्कुल खो जाना. इन्वेड. इन्वेड मीन्स किसी चीज में एंटर होना. इरेडिएट. इरेडिएट मीन्स कि किसी चीज का फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी रेडिएशंस का शो होना, दैट इज कॉल्ड इरेडिएट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटर. इंटर मीन्स बिटवीन. For example, interval. For example, international, between nationalities, between countries. Intervene. Intervene means to interrupt. Interrupt भी एक इसी की example होगी. Interview, talking, a formal conversation between a boss and an employee or a potential employee is called an interview. Intro or intra, which means inside. Intravenous, हम injections vein में देते हैं, so they are called intravenous. Intro means introduce. Introduce का short form भी intro यही होता है. The next word is micro. Micro means very small. For example, microscope, an object that is used to magnify very small things. Microwave, small waves. आपके घर में जो microwave है, उसकी जो waves जिससे वो चीजों को गर्म करते हैं, they are of very short wavelength. Microphone, a small mic, is also called as microphone. Micro means very small. इसका opposite होता है max, which is something very large. Miss. Miss means wrong. Mistake, misunderstand, गलत समझना. Misspell, spelling it wrong. The next one is mono. Mono means one. For example, हम इसको mon भी लिखते हैं, o हम लगा लेते हैं. O अगर ना भी हो, then also it means the same thing. For example, monarchy. Monarchy means one single ruler. For example, Queen Elizabeth is the monarch of England. She is the sole ruler. Monotone. Monotone means one tone. If a person is continuously talking in a single tone, then that is called as monotone. कोई singer होता है तो उसकी कभी pitch high होती है, कभी low होती है, so they are not monotone. Monopoly. So these are all examples of one or mon. Mon, mono, both are the same. The next word is poly. Poly means many. For example, polygon, a shape that has many sides. Gon means sides. Polymer. Polymer means के छोटे छोटे units मिलकर एक बड़ी चीज बना लेते हैं, so that is called a polymer. The next one is post. Post means after something. For example, post game, after the game. Post graduate, a person who has completed his graduation. The next word is pre. Pre means before. Post का opposite pre होता है. अब जैसे आप prefixes पढ़ रहे हैं, before, तो आप इससे याद रखिएगा, prefixes are those words that we add before the root word. Root word is the word that जिसमें हम changes कर रहे होते हैं. So prefix is a word that is added before that word. For example, here are some more examples. Preview means कोई चीज, जैसे for example, before watching a movie, we watch its trailer, right? So that is a preview of the movie. कि पूरी 2.5-3 घंटे की मूवी का एक short version होता है. Prehistoric, before the history. Prepare, before the event happens, you have to prepare yourself. Then the next one is re. Re means again. हम recycle का word बहुत use करते हैं, means use it again. So one word is recycle. Return, recite means to say, do something again. That is called as re. The next word is semi. Semi means half, partly, to some extent. जैसे for example semicircle, half a circle. Semi permanent, something that is not permanent, or it is permanent to some extent. Semi final, before the final match there is another match which is called semi final, which is almost the final. The next one is sub, sup or sus. They all mean below. इन तीनों words का एक meaning है which means below. For example, submarine, a vehicle that travels below the water surface. Support, किसी को सहारा देना. Sustain, एक और word होता है subpar. Subpar means not up to the mark. The next one is super. Super means above and beyond, something that is really great. For example, superior, somebody who works above you. Supervise, to monitor a person. Supermarket, a very large and a great market. That is called as a supermarket. The next word is sin, sim, sil. These are the three prefixes that we have. Sin, sim, sil. These mean with. For example, synthesis, to make something with the help of something. Symphony, in a tune. Syllable, these all mean with. The next one is trans. Trans means across. Transportation, something that takes you across a city, across an area, across a country. Transatlantic, across the Atlantic. Transfer, passing of the money across from one account to another, or passing of one substance from one place to another across a distance, is called as trans. The last one is un. Un means not. For example, unkind, somebody who is not kind. Unfair, a person who is not fair. Untie, to not tie, जो चीज बंधी हुई है उसको खोल देना. And that here is our lecture for today.